You guys know the drill. We're gonna do another brine of the ancient marinade. We're just gonna tweak it a little bit. Come on in here. Come closer, closer. We're gonna go a little heavier on the onion powder, garlic powder, rosemary, sweet, sweet marjoram. Throw in some mint, because there's also an herb that goes into herbes de Provence that is called savory, and it is of the mint family. So we're gonna actually throw that in too. Tarragon, basil, thyme, oregano, and of course, the lovely lavender flowers. And I saw a broken bay leaf, I bought a broken bay leaf. What you know about bay leaves? And that much salt, about that much. We're going a little bit lighter on the salt this time. Spices are all bloomed. Pour it right there in an ice bath. And you know what we're gonna do? You get a lemon, and you get a lemon, and you get a lemon, and you get a lemon. Yes, I'm living dangerously, and this is just straight up chicken hand juice on my hands. Oh, that's cold. 99, 100. 100 wings ready to go on the smoker. Actually, I don't know if it's 100. I was just joking. These are going in, ready to rock them at about 200 degrees. And all I'm doing is getting flavor, because we're gonna deep fry them. We're gonna get them maybe to temp, maybe 160, 155-ish. All we wanna do is lay on heavy smoke. We're going applewood, and then we're gonna throw them in the deep fryer with some ghee. Take these smoking wings, dipped in ranch again. So for tonight's wings, we are going to make a honey, garlic, chive, sriracha sauce. What did I say, honey first? But it really should be garlic, because look at that. That's like garlic temple. First, we are going to add red chili flake, just a little bit of salt. We have our brined wings that are gonna be plenty salty. Hot ghee. Sriracha. And chives. We're gonna heat this up a little bit just to make sure that we don't have raw garlic going on. Check these bad boys out. Lord. They're temping about 150. Some of them are a little under, some of them are a little over. It's the saucing. The saucing, not just a scary movie. Prop them up like Martha Stewart. Oh. Oh. Don't seem to like what I represent. Shouts out with rage, dip juice in a spray. Hating on me, cause I don't fit in. Doesn't ruin my day.
These are so freaking to the smoke, no batter, deep fried.
That applewood so comes through.
Mm-hmm.
This was Big Dave's weekend. Smoked the brisket for yesterday, smoked the wings for tonight. It was a wonderful weekend.
It was great. Great, great weekend. Smoke and destroy!
Do you have words? Say your words.
Word, word, word. Wordy word. Yeah. Wing dong, the witch is dead. On a wing and a prayer. What's that? That's a song.